Mumbai and Dubai, two cosmopolitan cities separated by 2,000 kilometers of the Arabian Sea and Persian Gulf. On April 16, 2024, the two cities suffered from two different extreme weather events. Torrents of rain along with lightning lashed Dubai, while Mumbai sweltered under an intense humid heat wave. Both these events were precipitated by a single weather system, a massive anticyclone, fueled by local weather, general warming, and increased moisture levels in the atmosphere. The Konkan coast of India, especially the city of Mumbai, has been undergoing a humid heat wave since April 14th. On April 15, Santa Cruz weather station in the city recorded a maximum temperature of 37.9 degrees Celsius and a high relative humidity of 55% at 5:30 p.m. There was a steep jump of 4.7 degrees Celsius in the maximum temperature in 24 hours as the peak temperature measured on April 14th was 33.2 degrees Celsius. These conditions would translate to a wet bulb temperature of 29.3 degrees Celsius. This would have meant that the temperature felt by the citizens of Mumbai would have been much higher. Further, there was no respite from the heat even at night. The minimum temperature recorded on April 15th was 27.5 degrees Celsius, but it felt close to 30 degrees Celsius. Santa Cruz station recorded a maximum of 39.7 degrees Celsius on April 16th, the highest in the last 15 years. On the other side of the Arabian Sea in Dubai, more than a year and a half's worth of rainfall, 127 mm, fell in a single day on April 16th. The city's airport and major freeways got flooded, with many people taking to X platform to share videos of the devastation caused by the rainfall. Other Emirati cities like Sharjah and Abu Dhabi also received excess rainfall on April 16th, with the United Arab Emirates receiving its highest rainfall in 75 years when records began. Other countries in the region like Oman and parts of Saudi Arabia and Bahrain also received excess rainfall. 18 people were killed in Oman due to flash flooding. So why is this happening? Before we answer this, first let's understand what anticyclones are. Anticyclones are areas of high atmospheric pressure where winds blow in a downward sinking motion and in the process compress and heat up. They also form a blocking pattern which doesn't let other weather systems pass by, and create conditions for extreme weather on their peripheries as well. In Mumbai's case, the problem is warm air sweeping in from West Asia and the Arabian Sea and sinking and heating it further. Usually, Mumbai is cooled down by sea breezes at night, but the anticyclone and its winds may have blocked the flow of these sea breezes, making night temperatures also higher than normal. As far as Dubai is concerned, the anticyclone blocked the passing of a western disturbance over West Asia, which may have induced the storm system that caused the rainfall and lightning. The storm system's rainfall may have also been accentuated by cloud seeding operations conducted by the National Center of Meteorology of the UAE. This, though, has been contended to be not true by scientists from the University of Reading in the United Kingdom. The rainfall could have been enhanced by excessive dust in the region, which can also act as natural cloud seeders. There may have also been other factors adding to these concoctions for both regions, such as the transition from the El Niño to the La Niña, which is currently underway. For Mumbai, the main problem was that the people were not informed properly or at the right time about the humid heat wave. People in the tropics are used to heat and humidity, but early warnings taking into account both temperature and humidity have to be put out, along with information on nearby hydration centers, shelters, and free public transport. Strict orders can also be issued to avoid exposing kids and elders to hot temperatures.